Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Emma. What's your name?
I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Emma?
I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
I live in New York. What about you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm a student. And you?
I work at a bank.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you? Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I enjoy visiting new places. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What's yours?
I love sushi. Yes, I have a dog. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and watching movies. What kind of music do you like?
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak French and a little Spanish. What about you?
I can speak English and Spanish. Which season do you like the most?
I prefer spring because the weather is pleasant.
I like summer. Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I enjoy playing cricket. What about you?
I like playing tennis.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Tarzan. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I enjoy cooking Italian food. What are your hobbies?
Do you play video games?
Yes, I do. I play them on weekends.
What's your dream job?
I want to become a doctor.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you read newspapers?
Sometimes, but I usually read the news online.
Have you ever visited another country?
Yes, I have. I visited the United States and Canada. What about you? Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to London and New York. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax at home or visit my friends.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Yes, especially shopping for clothes. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely a morning person. What's your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day. Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I like running in the park.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Yes, it's a lot of fun. What kind of TV shows do you like?
I enjoy watching comedy shows.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apples.
I love mangoes. What's your favorite drink?
Coffee is my favorite drink.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Yes, I love spending time at the beach. Do you enjoy cooking for your family?
Yes, I do. It makes me happy.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Are you interested in art?
Yes, I love visiting art museums.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar and the piano.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose. Do you prefer watching movies at home or at the cinema?
I prefer going to the cinema. Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What kind of weather do you like?
I enjoy cool, rainy weather.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I do. Live music is exciting. Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I prefer working in a team. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you enjoy swimming?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea. Do you read before going to bed?
Yes, reading helps me relax, so I read every night.
It was nice talking with you today.
It was nice talking with you, too.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more easy English learning videos. See you in the next lesson.